Unlocking the Mystery of Math Championship, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video where we delve into the fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're exploring the term Math Championship. Whether you're a math enthusiast or simply curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning together. Math championship is a compound noun, combining math, short for mathematics, and championship. Math refers to the study of numbers, shapes, and patterns, while a championship is a competition where the aim is to find out who or which team is the best in a particular sport or activity. When combined, Math Championship refers to a competitive event in mathematics. It's where individuals or teams compete to solve math problems and demonstrate their mathematical skills. These events can range from local school contests to international competitions. Math championships are more than just competitions. They play a crucial role in encouraging interest and excellence in mathematics among students and enthusiasts. These events often involve solving complex problems, which requires not just mathematical knowledge, but also creativity, critical thinking, and teamwork. Participating in a math championship can be a stepping stone for future academic and career opportunities in fields related to mathematics. Some well-known math championships include the International Mathematical Olympiad, (EMO), the American Mathematics Competitions, (AMC), and the European Girls Mathematical Olympiad, (EGMO). These events attract participants from around the world and are highly respected in the mathematics community. They offer a platform for young mathematicians to showcase their talent and connect with others who share their passion for math. We hope this video has shed light on what a math championship is and why it's an important term in the world of mathematics and education. Whether you're a student preparing for a math competition or simply love learning new English phrases, we're glad to have you with us. Remember, mathematics is not just about numbers. It's a language of its own, full of challenges and discoveries. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.